Hey friends, if you wish to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows 11 computer, then please check this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's what we have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and in the right pane, you can scroll down troubleshoot. Click on all troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. This is one solution. The next solution will be to update the network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers. And the last solution will definitely fix it. It is network reset. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab, scroll down, advanced network settings, network reset, reset now, and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.